going to explain how to calculate the amount of materials consumed and which are to be debited to income and expenditure account. Materials in an NFPO? Yes. Sports material, stationery, extra. So how to calculate stationery consumed or sports material consumed during the accounting period? Here I am showing the statement of amount of items consumed which is to be debited to income and expenditure account. Start with the cash purchase as per the receipts and payment account and add the following items: opening stock of such a consumable item, creditors for such consumable items at the end of the year, advance payment made last year to the creditors of such consumable items. Then after adding all these, deduct closing stock of such consumable items, creditors of such consumable items in the beginning, advance payment made to creditors at the end of the period. After deducting these, the result will be the actual amount of consumed items. Example, amount of sports material consumed, amount of stationery consumed, extra. Here I am giving the question which is asked this year in the board examination of 12th class. From the following information, calculate the amount of sports material that will be debited to income and expenditure account of a Sharda Club for the year ended 31/3/2019. Stock of sports material in the beginning 2 lakh, at the end 2,50,000. Creditors for sports material beginning 3,50,000, closing. Advance paid for sports material beginning 70,000, closing 1,10,000. Then additional information: cash purchase of sports material during the year was rupees 1,79,000. Rupees 2,40,000 were paid to the creditors of sports material during the year. Okay, question clear? It is of a 4 marks question, and see the question only to make a statement which shows the calculation of sports material consumed during the year. Okay, means the amount which is to be debited to income and expenditure account. Don't waste time by preparing I&A account because it is not asked in the question. Just calculate by the statement. What to calculate? Sports material consumed during the year. Okay. Here is the solution. Start with the total cash paid for sports material. Here there are two amounts. One is cash purchase, that is rupees 1,79,000, and cash paid to creditors 2,40,000. So the total of 1,79,000 and 2,40,000 is rupees 4,19,000. Now start the statement. Cash purchase of sports material 4,19,000. Add opening stock 2 lakh. Closing creditors 2,90,000. Opening advance 70,000. The total is 5,60,000. When we add this 5,60,000 with the 4,19,000, the total is 9,79,000. The less closing stock 2,50,000, opening creditors 3,50,000, closing advance 1,10,000. The total amount deducted is 7,10,000. So here is the result. The total amount of sports material consumed is rupees 2,69,000. I think calculation clear. Now the time for assignment. The question of assignment is on page number 30 of a NCERT textbook. There you can see two questions in a box. The heading is do it yourself. Question number 1 is find out the cost of medicines consumed during 2019-20 from the following information. I have updated the year. All of you should write the latest year. And second question is what amount on sports material will be posted to income and expenditure account for the year ended March 31, 2020 as expenditure. These two questions you have to solve and submit to me today or tomorrow. Okay, bye.